Hi, I hope you're all doing well. I'm fine over here. Welcome to As and Ask Sana. Sibisisela indaba zabantu. Guys, kushushu kwa YouTube. Yo Isa Mom, which is Ongezwa, and the Gogo. What is it? The City Gogo, Usis Tandi, which is known as Auntie T, and Ubantase, which is Usis Nomvediso. Those are three, or Unomvediso and Ongezo are friends zikasis Tandi. So apparently, Sana, they are busy spilling some beans ezinukayo sana apha kwizitrato zase-YouTube. Sana bayathetha uba usesithandi indlela le anganambeko ngayo, indlela le anomona ngayo, indlela le ayibhuli ngayo, kuthiwa very disrespectful, akonqena uthetha ngeendaba zabantu komnye, umxelele izinto zakho in confining kuye ahambe ethetha ngazo. That's what Ongezwa said. And also unomveliso uthi the way that she dragged her and her marriage for no reason, and the way that she doesn't value okanye ngawuboni ngakhona umtshato based on her experience. Yo, kuthiwa she is a toxic friend. They didn't mention kesana ba usisithandi sizobanjwa. They just said this lady, and getting like the only lady we knew ukuba at least to challenge a bit kwezinto bebezibala siyayazi uba, and they were friend with usisithandi. Guys, indeed disappointed, because to be quite honest, I really like a friendship yakhe noNomveliso. Hayi sana kuhosh karamaima in a very bad way. Uthi uNomveliso sana, hayibo, kancinci kancinci ugxeka uYouTube channel yakhe, ugxeka yonke into. Uthi there was a time ngoba indibulelekile whereby she went to Sip and Paint. I think that I watched that. She went to Sip and Paint kaSithati. Uthi wathi kuNomveliso xa esithi uba beye phaya, uthi wathi no, eza event azihanjwa noba ngubani, zihanjwa ngabantu. You must pray in tongues. Uthi uNomveliso jonga, I got so shocked. Uba what do you mean? And ke ngoku mna coming to think of it, event kaSithati, it was open to everyone for as long as you had money, and it was so affordable. Uthiwa akabaxhomeli sana abanye abantwana uSis T, andisekho disappointed. I wish this is not through. Guys, uthi uNomveliso when she is ready to talk about, she will come and tell us ukuthi even the campaigns people that are bragging about, she will come and tell us ukuba zifunyanwa njani. Hey guys, bakhona abantu abagenuine in this mhlaba. On this earth, are there any genuine people? Like, are there genuine friends? Guys, what do you think of this? Do you think it's a right thing for them to come up here? But they said they've tried to talk to her, to approach her, like bamxelele, but ke sana uyababloka okanye uyabaleka, and then afuna ubuya athi gqibe ngathi nothing happened, usisithandi. And these ladies have receipts. Yo, as much as I went to channel Gaga Ongezwa, and I saw good the followers or the subscribers Gaga Ongezwa were much lenient on Ongezwa compared to subscribers that were on Unomveliso's channel. People were swearing at Unomveliso, and I felt like people should give her a chance, yabo, of atete what is there. And I believe as a grown lady that she is, she can't just lie about things ezingekho, you understand? And also Tina, because we like usisithandi and sazi usisithandi before bona, we'll go usisithandi whether she's right or wrong, yeah, but which I felt ba abantu bebethetha kwi-comments zikaNomveliso, they were not fair kuNomveliso. I'm not saying unyanisile okanye uyaxoka, which I'm not interested, guys, in who's lying and who's not lying. These grown ladies know the truth, and usisithandi knows the truth as well. So kuyo yonke lento, there is them and there's also inyaniso, which we don't know inyaniso up until bangahlala kwindawo eyi-1 bobayi-3 babe kwindawo eyi-1 bobayi-3, and then that's when inyani izawuvela khona, yabo. But I felt that the subscribers or the followers zakaSisithandi bebethukisa besithi, you are jealous, you will never get where uSisithandi is. And I'm like, guys, sanomamela nge-feelings, just listen to this lady. And for the fact that she's coming out here and she's not mentioning igama likaSisithandi, and how did you know uba nguSisithandi? And they were also mentioning uOngezwa, because I only ndiye ndawe umazi uOngezwa une-channel based on what they were talking about uOngezwa, and then I went to her channel to check what like guys, umntu xa i-toxic utoxic man, akho nto izawuthini noba simazi kudala, noba uneklasi noba kanaklasi, noba mncinci noba mdala. And also we must understand people, noba badala noba bancinci, they've got feelings. I mean, like we all have feelings and we sort things differently. We understand that if ever you're not going to give me an ear over what is it that I want to talk about, I will use every platform that to get a message. Yeah, understand. So I guys, I don't know, I'm very disappointed. I wish they could have resolved the matter like in a different manner, sit down maybe as the grown ladies. But then if one of them wanna act childish, according to Kwenzeka, you cannot be hurting people and you want to come and act as if nothing happened. There are people that need to resolve issues. Like now I cannot move forward if we haven't solved our issues. Like what do you mean? What do you mean? Kuhosh karamai masana in them gogo cities or city gogos, as they call themselves. Hey, Nkosi yam. What do you guys think? Let's meet in the comment section. Please do not forget to like, share, and subscribe if uthanda indaba, because ulapha nje uthanda zona. Siyafana mntase.